Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through the beauty boxes for the month of July. It's actually going to be most of them. I think I have a couple more still coming and on the way, but they're not here yet. We're going to go ahead and go through the ones that I do have. This is my Walmart beauty box. These come seasonally, so you get like 4 per year, something like that. They're super cheap. I will have the price listed on the screen for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. You open it up. That is what it looks like. Nothing too spectacular, but that is it. The card that comes with it, I'm not going to list the prices for this because this is samples and this has full price and the possibility of what you could be getting in this. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I pull out here is some nail polish. I am not going to keep it because you guys know I use press-ons because it's just easier for me. So this will be in a future giveaway. The next thing we got is this sample thing. This is the Suave Pink 3 Hair Regimen. This has shampoo, conditioner, and anti-freeze cream, which is actually perfect for my hair, but I don't really use samples like this. I think this is really cute with the little bottles. What I'm probably going to do is put this in my guest bathroom because I love to leave little samples and stuff like that for when I have company. The next thing we got here is we got a daily scrub, which I think would be another great addition to my guest bathroom, along with some sunscreen from Cetaphil. And they make really great products. I highly recommend them. If you have sensitive skin and you break out a lot, you can use this brand right here. But again, this is going to go into my guest bathroom. Okay, so the next thing we have here is Listerine Ready Tabs. It says here it is chewable fresh breath tablets that transform from solid to liquid within seconds, helping fight bad breath for up to 4 hours anytime, anywhere. I'm kind of excited about this because I still wear a mask at my job and I don't like breathing my breath, and I think this is great for after lunch, so I'm definitely going to be using that. The last thing I got here is Almay Lip Vibes. This is a lipstick. This is a nude color. Now, I don't really use Almay, but I might give this a try because this is a really pretty nude color. It's called Sleep Later Cream. See if you can see that. I'm not opening it because I'm not sure. I might not keep it, but that is what it looks like. Okay, so I have lashes on and they're kind of annoying me. I'm gonna go take them off real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, I feel a little bit less annoyed now that they are off. They looked great, they look gorgeous, I know, but I don't know. The extra lashes sometimes just annoys me. Anyways, we're moving on to GlitzGlam right here. This is a $15 a month subscription, and they always send this card here. This is the theme, of course, July. The items on the back, the prices, a brief description, and they always send it beautifully wrapped, just like this. Alright, the first thing we got is Goddess Glitter Wand from GlitzGlamBox. That is this right here. And this retails for $10. Y'all know I love my glitter, so this always excites me. So this is what it looks like out of the wrapper. It has a beautiful jewel on top, and this is usually just loose glitter. I'm not going to do too much with it because I'll make a mess, but you can see it right there. A very pretty gold. Alright, the next thing we got is the Never Basic Lashes, also by GlitzGlamBox. This is $12, and this particular style is called Fierce. I think I need to open that because you can't really see it in the box. Alright, so these are what the lashes look like. Those are really pretty, very much so my style, very long and wispy looking, and I do like that look. Next thing we got here is Firefly Matte Manipulation. This is a creamy lipstick. This lipstick retails for $16. I have actually used this brand before. This shade is in Full House. I actually do really like this brand, so I will definitely be keeping this. And here is the color. That is a nice, beautiful dark red. I am really loving that. Here is the lipstick swatch, and just as expected, it is very creamy and very smooth. Absolutely love it. Last thing we got here is the Starlight Goddess palette, and this retails for $12.99. These are the colors inside. I do have a lot of palettes with those colors and shades, so I'm not going to swatch it. I am going to stick that into a future giveaway. Okay, next bag we got is color Curate. They are $20.95 a month. They are vegan and cruelty free, and they always have this beautiful bag. And pulling out the card, this is the card with the theme and the items on the back. They don't give me a description, they just the prices and the items. So yeah, the bag itself here is supposed to be a limited edition bag that retails for $12. Going right on in, first thing we pull out is this dual brow powder. This is from So Susan. This retails for $17.95. That is, there it is. Did not want to pick up, but let's go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like. These are shades that I'm going to use or will use, so that is what it looks like. Next thing we have is Halo on High by So Susan. This is worth $18. Now, I don't really use these tiny palettes so much, just because I have a lot of palettes and I tend to grab what I see, and these kind of get hidden a lot. But I'm going to show you the color, and I'm sticking that into a future giveaway as well. Next thing we got is Liptensity from Jelly Pong Pong. This is worth $19.95. That is what it looks like. I just really love their packaging. Always so cute. Okay, so this is a gloss. I'm probably gonna a really red gloss. Let me see. It'll probably be sheer. If it's sheer, yeah. It is not. It is very pigmented, but I swatched it, so I definitely will be using that. I mean, look at that. That is so red. Not at all what I was expecting for a gloss. Alright, the last thing in the bag is Soft Swirl by Trifle Cosmetics. This is worth $48. See it right there, there you go. Super cute, not opening it yet, but will be using it. This is an overnight hydrating face mask, and I am obsessed with those overnight masks, so that excites me. Alright, the next one we are moving on to is my TestTube beauty box. They used to send a little booklet with it. They do not do that anymore. So I don't know what the price of any of this is. I will have it listed on the screen so you can see it. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the box right here. This is what it looks like. It has a few items that did not fit into it. The first item is this right here. So this is a hair, well, this is from Hair Max. This is a drying hair towel. It is a microfiber. Don't really have much else to say about it, but it feels nice. I like it. It's pretty. Then we have Scar Away Clear Silicone Scar Sheets. So I don't know too much about this. It says it's a 2-month supply. guess you just put it on. It says dermatologist and plastic surgeon recommended. Definitely gonna give that a try. Next thing we got here is Alpha Keratin from Virtue. This is a hair mask. It says after cleaning, remove excess water, leave it on your hair for 2 or 3 minutes. So hair masks actually kind of function like a deep conditioner, and they will leave your hair very silky and smooth. So very excited about this. I do use hair masks because obviously my hair is processed and damaged, and I have a little too much toner in it right now, so it has a slight purple to it, but that's okay, it's cute. But yeah, I will be using that definitely on my hair. The next thing we got is Tatcha Kyoto Red Lipstick. Okay, so this comes out looking really, really fancy. I will probably be using this just because I really like Tatcha. And this lipstick looks so luxe. Look at this. It is very much so solid. Look at the end there. And let's look at the color. This is another, ooh, this is really pretty. Look how they have it shaped. Okay, so this is a kind of more of an orangey based red, very solid red, but that is what it looks like. I do like this. I do think it goes very well with my skin tone, so I will definitely be using this. Okay, the next item we got here is Perfect Shine Oil Mist. This is a color heat protectant for your hair. This is from Nature Lab Tokyo. Now, I've used some of their products before. They are really, really good. I've not used this particular product, so I don't really know too much about it, but I do know that their hair products are really good, so I am excited about it. Okay, so the next thing we got is from Repeat Charge. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. It says it's Beauty from the Sea. This says it is a clear complexion drying lotion. So I guess this would take care of like oily skin or something, pimples, breakouts, stuff like that. That is what it looks like. So I don't really get a lot of breakouts, but sometimes I do, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. All right, so the next thing we got here is Herbo Hemp Infused Perfume Oil Roll-On. And it is this right here. I have been really into these roll-on perfumes lately, so let's see what this smells like. This is a very, very light fragrance. This is rose, lavender, cypress, and sandalwood. So this could be a good all day, everyday kind of scent. All right, there is one last item in my TestTube box. That is Lash Life A Boss. Okay, so this is Babe Lash Mini Essential Serum here. I've used their serum before. It absolutely does work, so I will be using this. One last box, and that is my Boxy Charm. So that is a $25 a month subscription box. This is just the base box because I get so many boxes, I don't want to go up any more. Anyways, so this is what the inside looks like. And the card right here with the theme and the items on the back with a little brief information and the price. So the first thing I got here is from Dermilect Cosmeticals. That's a mouthful. Added Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum, and this retails for $39. It says it is Dermalect Out Crease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol activities in a concentrated microcapsulated delivery system. More of a mouthful. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. And okay, so it is a nice little droplet bottle. All right, the next thing we got here is Mud Masky vitamin infused eye serum. And you guys know I am big about my eye serums. This retails for $63. It says this delicate skin area around the eye is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a super food ingredient essential for firming the skin, with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. This serum is ideal for all skin types. So definitely a must for me. The next item we have is Ultra 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. And it retails for $30. I do absolutely love and use leave-in conditioners, especially after processing my hair, because it just helps it stay nice looking. All right, the next item we got here is matte liquid lipstick and lip liner from Beauty Vault. This is the box right here. This retails for $18.50. This is the lip set, includes matte liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. I'm probably not going to use this. I've already kept a couple lip products today and don't really need more. So let's go ahead and see what the packaging itself looks like. So it is another red color. And of course, I'm sticking that right back in the box, and there is the lip. So that will, of course, go into a future giveaway. All right, the last item in this box is a eyeshadow palette. This is from La Masque Unveiled Artistry Palette, and this retails for $50, and it is a pretty neutral palette for me. I actually picked this. This was the one thing that I could pick, and I picked something neutral. I know it's weird, but I do really like this brand and I like their products, so I was down with having another neutral palette. All right, so this is what the palette looks like out of the box and the colors. I am not swatching those because, I mean, they are neutral and I already know the formula is great. So that is it. That is it of this video. Let me know your favorite items down below, favorite boxes, whatever it is that just kind of spoke to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.